Morning. Let me share what I'm taking in the mornings and in the days for detox. Look at all the things that I've brewed. This is called sorrel or hibiscus, and I brewed some bags, just 2 to 4 bags in a very large cup. This is my mint, fresh mint, brewing here in a large insulated cup. And this one is soursop leaves, nature's best anti-cancer fighting agent, one of nature's best cancer fighting agents, as well as a really great anti-stress formula. And this is my ginger lime water blend. So I blended fresh ginger with water and lime. That's it. There's no sugar, no sweetener, any of these things. And this is my detox concoction for the day with, of course, lots and lots and lots and lots of just water. Incorporate these with other great lifestyle things like massages, walks, dynamic stretching, as my friend Keisha Parks Esquire recommends. Not the stretching per se, but the mobility exercises that include dynamic stretching to ease your way into the morning, get your body start flowing in a way that is quite very relaxing and soothing rather than jarring going into a cold stretch. And just get your body moving, do massages, put essential oils into your lotions and massage yourself and just give yourself some self-care, because you know what, you deserve it. You do. Much love and blessings. See you next time.